Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we will show you how to remove and replace fan control module on Mazda CX-7. There is two of them actually, one for each fan, so if one of your fans is not working, I'll recommend checking one of those first before you buy a fan. Okay, and let us show you where they're located now. There is two, as I said. One is really easy to reach, right here, and the other one is under the engine cover, so stay with us, we're gonna show you how to remove it now. So we will need a flathead screwdriver, okay, and you can see you can pry those, okay, the middle part out, okay, and then you can get a prying tool or pliers and pull it out. Okay, this one here is exactly the same way, two of them. Some models might have different ones, people break them and then install different ones too, so you never know what kind of clips you get. Next, you need to lift it up, and once you lift it up, you need to pull from the back to the front. Okay, those are the two glides right here that it goes to. That's the engine cover right here guys, and you can see it's really good to clean your intercooler once in a while. You can see those leaves there, it will make it pretty inefficient, so make sure you clean it once in a while there. And the other computer, the other control module for the fan guys, it's right here under the engine cover that we told you. We're going to demonstrate on this one here because it's a little bit easier to reach with the camera, so we can show you better. But it's not very complicated procedure, and both will be about the same. Okay, there is two screws that we'll need to remove with a 7mm socket, and they're diagonally located. You can see one on top there, and you have one on bottom, which is a little bit hard to reach, but you can go ahead and remove the wires. What you need to do there, okay, you can actually reach it with a Phillips screwdriver too on the bottom if it's not too tight. Okay, you can see that's where we are now. Okay, and in our case it's too tight for a screwdriver, so we'll need to get the 7mm there. Okay, get it loose, and once you get them loose, they usually go by hand pretty easy. It's so limited room, hard to show you guys exactly, but just two screws that we're removing now, and once we remove it, we'll go ahead and show you better. Okay, bottom one is almost out. Don't forget to check out the channel guys, we upload quite a few videos, on average 3 videos a day. Okay, so we can help more people. Okay, the one on top now there. And after that we'll need to remove the wires. You can go ahead and remove them even if you want to before you remove the screws. In some cases it's easier, you need to press on the front of it, okay, right here, and pull. Okay, this one. The bottom one is exactly the same way, but it's a little bit hard to reach there. And ours got stuck a little bit. Okay, so we're going to try to pull the module up. Okay, and the wire came out. Okay, so that's the fan control module guys for Mazda CX-7 right here. That's how you guys remove it. Please subscribe, let's grow the channel together. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.